Okay. Scene 1, shot 3, take 1, sound rolling, camera rolling, action.
I like this one,
Goa is a land that has plentiful of creative resources and talents. It has always struck a perfect balance between traditional and Western entertainment avenues. The young, enthusiastic Goans have brought rap music to life in Goa, making it a part of their culture. They are embracing the westernized concept of the rap culture and are trying hard to contribute and support social awareness.
So, question किती आलं होतं? Forgot.
Roaming around town, speaking our minds out loud. Better do another round. Some people here for the cloud. Don't know what you want from me. Line stack from XC. Party on the hill emoji. My brother, you gotta live free. If you in my gang, then call me Shanti. Now's the time up, dekh mera kranti.
Actually, I wanted to be in music only from school days. We used to watch videos and Indian Idol 2005 was just beginning of all bathroom singers also wanted to give audition and stuff. So then I started, but resources were not there. So then, I couldn't do it on my own. So I had to get a job first after doing my education. So after that, the kaman busy hulla. So later then somehow I managed to learn guitar and for me it was more about expressing. I was feeling frustrated with my life first of all. Was heading to nowhere, directionless. So maybe music gave me hope and I did it for my own peace of mind.
So my dad, he plays in a band. So music has always been part of our lives, but I didn't take much interest because it was in the family, so I was always in the opposite side. But so since recently my friends and everyone, we all got into music by ourselves, so it pulled me also into it. Even I started just for fun. Actually, since small, I was around music because most of my family members are musicians. So starting from my uncle to my cousins, they all are singers and music. My uncle's in a band. So I was around music. So music should involve my house. Every time you see music is playing, you come in the evening, my uncle will play a guitar. If I come in the morning, my cousin or my aunt singing something. So there was music all around me.
About me, I'm just a guy who's with music and I've been with music for quite a long time now. Most of my family members are into music. My dad's brothers, and even my grandfather was into music. So music was always there in my blood. I've always seen my dad play for different dramas and stage shows. I would get this certain pride where my family members are performing the art on stage. I used to feel I also want to get into this.
Start, आता लायता तुझी वाट something fast, no shortcuts. Eyes yo, fire yo, the fire on us. Raw energy, I'm high on us. Fire boss, rostyak, आता लायता आऊं रोज. Honk honk, let me pass. Andi munta shi baba, walk fast. Burgi cushion round, korta hoy nuts. Only wheels, no drinks. All the ladies now wing, but I'm stronger than the rock when you hit the damn whiz. Yeah, boy, I lost off cheat at the boy. Cars and bikes, more guys and swing. You don't know the hell that they're going. What they're doing, or this to me, I'm fine. Not a big up and you're forgotten to the boy. Different style, I'm rolling the best gun. Get in the tension, I shall up for nana. I'm back at it, I'm back strong. With a lot of bass, because that's why my stage name is Basic. So the reason my music, when I create music, I make sure there's a couple of good bouncy bass in it because I like bass. Alright, and I try to keep a very sick melody. okay, but mostly out of everything I go to see the emotion and the flow in the music. I go to see that. Once if I make music, if I see if one pattern melody connects to me, if I feel good about it, I'd be very confident that okay, if someone else listens to this, even he'll be dancing to it, even he'll feel the same thing what I'm feeling. So when I have a good feel factor, when I make something, like then I jot it down. Otherwise, there's so many music samples where it goes in my mind, but some things I scrap it out because it doesn't give you the vibe, doesn't connect, I don't feel anything. So once if something hits me, if I listen to some certain particular sound, if I make a pattern or something, once it hit me, that's when I realize, okay, this is the sound, this is the song, let's make it.
जो ते म्युजीक हांव कोत्ता तो सारको चिल वायबान कोत्ता चडसो आनी कितें मॅसेज घालूंक सोदता तो हांव कोंकणीन आनी इंग्लिशीन घालूंक चड ट्राय कोत्ता पळोवया आतां स्टार्ट केला तर कशें वयता तें पळोवया.
I'm not that great of a person who can speak English, but people can understand. Basically, I speak in Konkani. I'm Konkani uleta, so I'm fluent. I can speak because as a child, I've always been talking Konkani at home and stuff. And my music is all truth, like I won't lie and I won't say that, I have some dollars and I got this on me, I got that on me. Like, for example, if I have a KTM Duke, I will say in my song that I have a KTM Duke. For example, if I say I live in a tile house, I will say I live in a tile house. I will not say I live in a mansion. So there's no fake flex in my music. As I said, I speak the truth. Like in one of my track, I be like, Maka fokota tabappachi chauza. It's one cafe in Mercedes. So
Kita sangta maka naka ata kaina maka fokota tabappachi chauza maka fokota ta Mercedes of flavors ai.
I just believe in making it simple, basically, because when you talk about rap, old school, mumble rap, other things are there which if you listen to it once, you don't understand what he's actually talking about. So basically we try to just keep it simple, like almost most of the songs have simple chords, simple progressions. And I don't know much about digital production, but yeah, I have basic acoustic guitar knowledge. So whenever I'm doing the music, I take some simple chords and just roll it up over and over again. And other thing is like other artists also, like one artist which helped me, like Magloja, Squishy Stona, Magir Faniaza, Navin Naik, Shakaiza Dattu Saval. There are many other artists also. Meaning it is a collaboration of all ideas together. It is basically the freedom of expression, I feel. Though it is not feasibly implemented well because of hatred, and again people are getting offended. It is a new hobby.
I always have a lot of stuff in my head. Like, I have seen many things in my life, like from the time I was growing till the time, till now also. Like, I've seen so many things around me and I would have these different thoughts about it. Like, how, like, आऊँ किते चिंता दूसरी किते चिंता like there are a lot of stuff like that when I got into production, like got into making my own music, I got a voice to myself and I got social media as a platform where I could share my story, share what I want to express to the people through my music. As I said, I always speak the truth in the song.
Keta, ata soda keta, eyes na zalya falya, ata soka yeta, 5-15 minta maka kota yeta.
So music does help in a way because at the end of the day, many people like end up listening to the music that you make, like your friends and family first, and then like other people that they share it to. So, आता आमच्या गोंयान कितें जाता तें मोल्याचे खबर तर तेजे भितर आमी उलयला हितून केस्तांव सॉंगान आमच्या बोंगिसे बाबा बारा केला ते कांतार आनी या so we try and put like slight messages inside, not trying to hurt too many people's feelings at the same time, so but also keeping everyone aware of what is happening around us. and trying to set a good message like to youngsters, because they try to, like, you know, they probably look up to us. I hope so and so not also, but they look up towards us, and we shouldn't set a bad message to them.
Yes. I basically try to express my emotion in every song I write, because before I write a song, I think of a topic to express myself on. So, apart from the songs which I made right now, which goes as Viva the Rap, that song had a motive telling of I'm from Goa, and when I'm introducing myself as a Konkani rapper. My name is Basic, I'm going something. What's a Bombay? Out round, Shigla, white, and a body come. Call me Sudi and Sword come. I'm a cast, so glad, good, so glad. Move, Punzai, the fort, eyes, Raza, boy, finally at the sword. Yeah, Corazana, Motin, the door. I Chiburgi, Munda, side, the core, family, Munda, Kamala, Mod, so Damisa, Giona, Deva, Eka. Second was Black Lily, which was another expression of me like loving someone. So I had all lyrics on love on that. Third thing was Numero Uno with Bongisio, my friend Carisio, where we wanted to show the pure Goan style and how Goans as themselves are number one. Goan by blood, Soglasam, room, room, Hotel road, spoon, Azunami, zoom, zoom, office looking fly. Yeah. Just like Doom, Doom, the rules in life, put out like salt, boom, boom. Your own Goan boy, just basic.
Basically in Goa, Konkani rap started much later after the Gali Gang thing popped up, no? Even I didn't want it to rap in Konkani. It was an accident.
To be honest, when I was in Mumbai for 4 years, I think so that was the hype when Divine was doing well and he was like known, that Gully Boy and thing. So I think so that's when hip hop started bursting out in India in many parts. Alright. So that's when I got an idea. Like, okay, if it's happening in Mumbai or anywhere else, there's Jharkhand, there's Delhi, there's Punjab, there's even Tollywood, Tamil Nadu people are doing it. So why not Goans? So that's the time when I realized, okay, fine, let's try to rap in Goa, in Konkani. Like, try Korea. Like, you know, whenever someone comes to Goa, the only thing you listen to is the old Konkani songs right now. Till now, old nostalgic Konkani songs are being played. But there's no other new genre, any other different style introduced in Konkani music. So that's when I thought, like, okay, let me make something new. And I have introduced and wrote this first track, which was Viva the Rap.
Long before, I used to write poems and stuff. And basically, the beat, I just time and that time I was like out of my job. My profession, I used to be a mining engineer at that time. So, काम गले सगले गले, किरे बोरेले poem थी, just recorded it on a beat on mobile only and sent it to a friend. That fellow forwarded it to all and तो viral gelo. So that is how people demanded more and more.
But then after 1-2 months I noticed that I was not the only one. There were many other people who have done Konkani rap before me. There's Barano also, there's another guy from UK also. So they were quite good Konkani covers. But Konkani right now, since it started and is going very well in Goa, Konkani rap song far the level power. Yeah. It will go, it will do good. Konkani rap is doing very good right now. So like, tumka bhi like, I go na.
Rap is a form of expression, so anyone could who wants to express themselves through music and through poetry can rap about it. And
there are a lot of things which we want to say, and when we hear it from someone else, then we feel relatable, we feel a connection, and that helps you grow as an artist also and as a person also.
Yeah, in Goa people have always been doing it, like Waking Grant and all of them. They're like the OGs, they've been doing it for a long time. And now we've started it because that's like the mainstream now. Rap is picked up in India a lot, so we thought it's a good opportunity and a good time to start. So, yeah.
There was this old guy who was famous to say lyrics fast, okay? Like he would say it in Konkani, but he would be like ta 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 ta. So it was like, you know, and when I was playing and I would listen to Eminem's music and his flow was like that only, you know, like fast, quick. So I heard this uncle saying stuff in Konkani on that speed, but on, you know, it was on this Goan beats, like, you know, like the Tiyat beats, like whatever it is, Soca or Pop 1, Pop 2, whatever it is, Bossa Nova. But, you know, he was like, I felt that was rap, dude. So I was like, okay, this can happen like that. Why don't we use, like, you know, trap and all this hip hop, different beats, and try to rap in Konkani, like feel how it is. Like I saw, like as I said, I got inspiration from Goan artists, no doubt. I was inspired to see them and be like, oh, these people are doing, like let's give it a shot. Let me also do it.
It depends on artist first of all. कौन किती content create करता. Once it is out, it is onto the public, no. First of all, and so far people have given love for the rap, so it will be there. It will be there. And other thing is, with this technology and everything getting connected, interlinked, there is no language barrier, I feel. Otherwise, this recent KGF trailer, Telugu, maga kana, tuga kana, but it broke all records. No, within a day, it like exploded everywhere. So yes, no language barrier is out, right? But then again, as an artist, you can't survive. That is a different story. But for your passion, you can do it. No worries.
Okay, so I think the Goan community can obviously use rap as, you know, like a statement, as I said. They can say stuff if, you know, if they want to say something to the government, say for example, or they want to say something to someone, they can like just express themselves in a song. They can just like, you know, I'm not saying everybody to get into it, but yeah, people who are, you know, interested in music and stuff like that, and who think that, you know, they can get a change in the society through this. I think it is a very, what do you call it,
positive thing, as long as like you're not speaking, like you're not using it, like anything can be used in a bad way also. So like, you know, you shouldn't like exploit it. But yeah, like rap is going to blow up in Goa because like I feel like it all matters on the flow and like how it sounds to the person. It might not sometimes even make sense.
चेडवा सुद्धा हांगा बोपकेकार जावपा सुद्धा इंस्टा स्टार फोटो घालता एनीकार जज करपा नासलो बूम करता आयज माझी सेल्फ एस्टीम वाडोवपाक हांकां टॅग लायता आयज हे स्लट्टे इगोइस्टीक ते क्यूट आपूंक सावळे ते स्टायलिश पूंक बिंबो ते आवाजान खावळे एकलो रिपो केले दुसरो करता लायक चीप कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीन दुसऱ्या सॉंगा बेश्टी जाता हायप Dinner soy na camara kaspa jai Don't cute as to fata kopa jai
Feedback and a lot of engagement on that. So I noticed like instead of just putting a post up or like just going some with a board or firing something, make a content, package it with a Goan rap, put a story to it, alright? Send out the message in a very lyrical, musical way, and people actually sit and listen to you. And as I said, rap will make you think, will make you reflect. So that's when I think so, yeah, yes, rap can help the Goan community. Yes.
Like we don't understand Spanish music, but when it plays in the clubs, like most of our friends, everyone, even including myself, like we all dance to it. So the same way, we are trying to do this with Konkani music, where we like make music that people can groove to and not really care to understand what we're saying, but then if they pay attention to what we say and like really like look into it, then they find a message. So like it's like a deciphering thing.
For example, I have this ward in my area called as Bamanbat, okay? I just have to go there and you know all these kids and they be like, you know, bongi sio, and that joy in their face and they be like, you know, when is the next song? Dusre song kenna katta re, dusre song kenna katta, and I be like, arey katta tumi etole mere, and all, you know, that excitement. And the biggest achievement for me, like, you know, as I will say is, I just performed one show in Moloka and I walked down and I was going towards my bike to come back home, like, you know, and one young kid came to me and were like, you know, I want to, like, you know, I like what you did, I want to get into this.
I won't say era, the generation that we are in and like the generations before and after us, right before that, they're very supportive. So like before, like many people tried, like, you know, and they didn't get as much support as we get. Like now if we ask our friends to come in for music videos and all, they like volunteer from their ends, whichever side they can. Like whether if like someone is into filming, then they'll volunteer to film. Then if someone's into like artworks and designing and making all of the things. So like they volunteer or they help out some way. Plus friends who are organizers also like make sure that we get gigs where we get paid for. So like, you know, it's a hustle from all sides, but it's way more support this time like compared to before. And also like the artists that are rising now, like our friends like Jaden and Sumaoki and all of them, they're doing really well. So they're also making sure that we also grow with them. So like we're releasing a cypher and everything with all Goan artists.
The same thing happened when we did a shoot for Keta. Like as soon as the shoot got over, these young kids, they were like, you know, we are inspired by all of this and we want to learn music, we want to get into music. So as the youth is getting attracted to it, they see that, you know, a person is literally been given importance. Okay.
Like most of the Goan artists, there are many more as well. But yeah, so Goa is on its rise like with new artists and like everyone's welcome. So if anyone even wants to make a track with me and all, like I'm always open to it. Like I always like try and figure out a way to get it done. So yeah, so this is a good time for everybody.
I realized that, you know, my one high to these young kids, you know, they be so excited and they be like, you know, hey, maka udkilo re. And that gives me pleasure that, you know, okay, there is someone else smiling because of me.
Recently, I noticed now since the Goan rap right now, whatever this is happening, like, you know, the scenes in Goa rap, is actually like bringing out and exposing all these hidden talents. Right now, if you go to see the same video, which was 1 year ago, has like about 6K plus views on it. Whereas 4 months back, it had only 300 views. So if you notice, like all these rappers right now, also there are Vasco boys. There's a group in Vasco. There's a group in Margao. There's a group in Panji. There's a group in the north also. So there are many, like, you know, groups or rappers over here who are still not, like, you know, exposed or brought out to the stage. But whereas we know it, that, you know, they are doing a very good job, but you don't have that, what to tell you, that platform to perform. Rappers are about Komina, so rappers are going. Put me on there. But right now, everyone's going to come. I feel I can see also every day when I see many when I post a post, like, you know, when I put a post on Instagram, many people like comment and say, like, I want to collaborate with you, and they also please go check out my music. So slowly, I start discovering, okay, there are more people very unheard of.
There needs to be more love than hate and everything, and people need to like learn how to understand and appreciate better. That's more of a message. And like my name goes peace and power, Shant Shakti, which means like you have to be Shanti but also like represent your Shakti from within. And yeah, and musically the message that I want to give people is that just to show people that, you know, if I can do it, like anyone else can do it. Like you just have to like work for it and you can get it done. So like this year for the lockdown, my goal was to like learn how to make music and rap. So I did that and it worked. So everyone should like set their goals and it works out if you aim towards it.
I'm a very different kind of a rapper, like, you know, itlo different ki I'm devache now. In all my tracks, dev, you know. But people, if they think that it's repeated, I really, like, you know, I don't have any say to it, because whatever I am today is because of God. And all I would try to say to my brothers, like Maje Bhau, not my fans, all are my brothers, is have faith, and have faith in yourself too. You have faith in a power good. तुम्ही भावार्थ धरून जाय तुझ्या जीवाचेर आणि चितून फुडलो स्टेप घेवंक जाय सतत. आनी एक तुमकां हांव सांगतात, पॉयंट टू बी नोटेड, लेजिनस आसत जाल्यार कांयच जायना. हांवें तर हे एक 3-4 एटलिस्ट 5 वर्सां पयलीं केलेली. आयज खूब आनीक उलोवंक जावपाचें, पूण it's never too late, you know.
So if you all are into music, if you have any interest, never fall back. Go ahead, make music, express yourself and put the music out there. Like, show your presence, don't keep it in. Sodam hoga so.